In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Google site. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Google's official tool to create a safe backup of your site's content, whether you're archiving a project, handing off materials, or keeping a local copy for peace of mind. We'll do this with Google Takeout, which is Google's central export tool for all your data. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account before you begin, especially if you have both personal and work profiles on the same browser. If you're using a work or school account, note that your organization's admin settings might limit exports. Start by opening Google Takeout. You can find it quickly by searching for Google Takeout in your browser. On the Takeout page, you'll see a long list of Google products you can export from. Because we only want your Google Sites content, first deselect everything so you don't pull more data than you need. Then scroll until you find Google Sites and turn that on. This tells Takeout to include only your site's data associated with the account you're signed into. Keep in mind that Takeout generally includes all sites in that account. You can't usually pick specific individual sites here. Once Google Sites is selected, move on by clicking Next Step. This takes you to your export options, where you'll choose how the archive is delivered and packaged. For delivery method, you can receive a download link via email or send the archive directly to a cloud destination like Drive or another supported service. If you plan to store it locally, the download link is the simplest choice. If you prefer it organized in your cloud, select that destination and ensure you have enough space available. Next, choose frequency. If you only need this once, select the one-time export. If you're setting up periodic backups, you can schedule regular exports for a limited time, then pick the file type and size. Zip files are the most universally compatible, especially on Windows. Set the maximum file size so large exports are split into manageable parts, which helps if your connection is slower or you plan to move the files to another device. When everything looks good, click Create Export. Google will start preparing your archive. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the amount of content. You'll get a notification when it's ready, along with a secure link if you chose the email delivery option. That's it. You've exported your Google site using Google Takeout, giving you a reliable backup you can store, share, or archive as needed.